Hello, welcome to our program Análise Diária, where we perform analysis of Bitcoin prices. My name is Fernando Bender, and our analyses are made with our software Wild Horses and current market data. Our program airs daily except on Fridays and Sundays. On Sundays, we perform a special edition on altcoins. Don't forget to sign up to our channel and activate the notifications to be informed of new episodes of our program. So let's dive into the graphics. In the first one, we see here the Bitcoin price quoted in Tether in exchange Binance. The prices are framed in channels that, according to our software Wild Horses, best describe its behavior. We see at the bottom of the graphic a colored line depicting the volume traded in exchange Binance, OKEx and Huobi, represented according to how many standard deviations they're trading above the average. And what we see here is that the later days have been with a very high volume compared to the average 2 standard deviations and above, and that's enough and important, necessary to keep us at the levels that prices are trading right now, meaning just below and near to 50-100 Tethers. So that's very important to keep them there. It is our understanding that if the volume moves now very soon to average levels, meaning blue tones in this color, then we believe that it will cause us to move down also in prices, perhaps above 4600, just near that. And however, if we have a smooth convergence to levels more central to the average, like greenish tones, then this might signal, if these moves take several days, that we are accommodated on that new equilibrium. However, if the color of the next volume bars remain reddish, then it is likely that we will break through current congestion region and continue our move up, perhaps targeting 5600. Let's dive in then to our expectation for the end of the day. We see here in this plot that our expectation, our forecast for this day is centered in 4865 Tethers in an admissible interval from 4772 to 4957. That's a slight decrease compared to yesterday's close, and the information that can be interpreted here is that we are unlikely to cross 50-100, and that's because the volume that we are trading, although it is much above the average, is not enough, and that's our opinion as well, not just the algorithm conclusion, to break through the 50-100 line definitely. So let's dive into the graphic to check it right now. And what we see here is on the prices in Binance Exchange of the BTC pair quoted in Tether. And if we look here to the 15-minute plot, then we will see a figure that we have mentioned just before in our Portuguese edition of this analysis that you can check in our website, but you need to add the legends. And we have pointed out that we have a support here in 4930, which is precisely here. We have a resistance in the 50-134, and we have here a support in 4913. So 4913 is our support and 50-130 is our resistance. So we are trading within this range so far, until we have volume enough to break through in the top and volume that is insufficient to keep us here within this range. And unfortunately, we are trading near this bottom, so that's why we are having so frequent tests at this support. It is our concern that if we don't increase the volume soon, what will happen is that we might lose it and test inferior lows, and that's what we'll not like to see happening right now, especially because we have just had this extension in the prices that we are trading below 4200. Now we are near 50-100, and we would like to remain there. On a daily basis, we see here 48-30-100 in case we lose the current range as an immediate support in the 1 hour chart. That's it. That was our analysis for this day, and we are happy to have your audience. Don't forget to sign up to our channel and to activate the notification. Let's look forward for the volume. We have 4913 as immediate support and 5030 as immediate resistance, and the volume should increase around 2, 3, possibly 4, 5 times, so we have a chance to break through it. And if we keep in the current levels of volumes, we are likely to keep experience test in the support, which is not at all positive for the prices at this moment, because we have recently made a breakthrough in the much lower resistance, and we should have somehow more strength in the volumes to sustain the price in current levels. Thank you very much for your audience. Don't forget to sign up to our channel and to activate the notifications to be informed of new editions of our program Análise Diária. See you next program. Bye bye.